This is Jane Marvin with your 24/7 team, and have we got a home for you. Maybe most of you have heard that one of the favorite models is the Gardenia, and this is a Gardenia, but it's not your average Gardenia. Come on in and take a look with us. So remember how we said this is not your average Gardenia, and the reason why is there has been an over 500 square foot addition put onto this home. Currently it's being used as a woodworking shop, but we'll show you all the details when we go on inside, so come on in. Currently this room is being used as a woodworking shop, but it is air conditioned and plumbed to be converted to an in-law suite. It already has a full bathroom and it has access to the pool. There you have it. We've shown you everything that's unique about this Gardenia, including the additional 500 square feet. And now we're sitting by the solar heated pool that you can swim in year round. So this is a unique Gardenia, but let's make it your Gardenia. You're gonna love your next home.